Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Hollowitz. I want to show you a quick trick on searching on Google. So I'm using Google Chrome right now. Google is my default search engine. So I just navigated to a page about the state of Maine. So what I'm doing is now as I'm reading through some of this material, I realize there's some place called Mount Katahdin. Now, if you don't know, this is a mountain in Maine. It's a large mountain. But what I'm going to do is I selected this with my mouse and I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go search Google for Mount Katahdin. And when I do that, it does a search for Mount Katahdin. So again, you can select text with your mouse and do a search of it. And when you do the search, you can see images, videos, news, maps, different things in Google. So that's a quick way to initiate a search. You don't always have to go back to the Google homepage and type in something. Select the text, right click, and do a search that way. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye now.